Hello lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I am truly Tara, and here I do unboxings, skincare, makeup, that kind of thing. And today I have Ipsy. I just got my or Boxy. This is Boxy. This is still all very confusing. Somebody like me who is confused easily. Yeah, so I'm sure you've seen my shorts where I was talking about, like, super excited that Pat McGrath is going to be the next curator. So, you know, Ipsy, they're good, or Boxy, whatever it is. They're good at keeping you around for the good stuff. Like, I have to suffer through 2 months of, I don't know, this stuff. And let's get into it, because usually I will complain, and then whenever I get the box, I'm a little bit happier. So let's unbox this. Like, subscribe, comment. You know what to do. Be the first to comment. Okay, Boxycharm Glam-O-Ween. And they have got their holiday advent calendar out, which is like $150, which I think is crazy. Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, so Tres Luce Beauty. I have had so enough of Tres Luce. Oh, okay, it's brushes. Sorry. Okay. I love brushes. I love getting brushes. And I think these are usually alright brushes. Feels good. I needed a new brush because I've got a new... and I need to remind myself that whenever I get a new foundation, that I should get a new brush to go along with the new foundation. Okay, next we have Shawn Johnson. Oh, Tula Skincare. So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I don't remember what I picked. I remember I was not happy with the picks. I remember I picked my Beauty Boost, and it took me forever because I didn't like any of... So, I mean, the packaging to that is nice. Did I show you that? So, I sort of don't want to open this, but I do because I want to smell the pumpkin, because I have... I mean, I have other pumpkin stuff, like the Pure Honey I like. It smells good. I like it. Yeah, that smells really good. Okay. So next is Farrah Eyeshadow Primer. Again, I can't remember if this was a pick or what. So the packaging to that is cool. Okay. So is it a clear or... Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. That looked really dark for some reason. Like, really dark. But it's not as dark as what I thought it was. Okay, so... I like this kind of primer. I don't like the clear ones that much. So, yeah. Okay. Next, we have Wonder Beauty Riviera Blush and Bronzer Palette. Okay. Okay. Like, I'm so excited that Pat McGrath is going to be the curator, but I swear I'm just getting so, like, over. Okay, this is pretty. Like, I mean, that's actually... Ew, it looks like somebody has, like, already, like, taken their finger and went... Can you see that? I mean, you literally just watched me open that. Oh, am I crazy? Ew, I don't like that. I mean, I swear that looks like somebody has just taken their finger and went... Oh, heavens. Okay. Next, we have Dermalec X-Lash Volumizer. Now, I do remember this, and I was a little bit excited about this. Cosmeceuticals. Okay, so I've never got a serum before for eyelashes, so I am excited about this. Eyelash and eyebrow booster formulas. But okay. Okay. I don't know. Like, I just felt like there should have, I don't know. It looked like there should have been a couple of things in there. Like, why make the box so big? Like literally, that was, hang on. Let me show you. So it was in there like that. Like, am I missing something? Because that's what it looks like. I'm going to have to read that and see. Key ingredient, formulated without application. Before bedtime, apply to clean dry lashes from root to tip. I don't know. I guess that just, I mean, that really looked, why make the box so big? I'm just thoroughly confused. Like, it looks like there maybe should be serum on one side and maybe mascara on the other. I don't know. Okay. All right. So more brushes. You know, I always pick the brushes. So these are by Ace Beauté. So my favorite kind of brush is this one. I love that brush right there because I love to do my sides. And I've seen, I was watching a video last night because I got the new MAC. Well, it's new to me. And there was this crazy brush and it was like, and like she did her under eye. I usually don't do that, but man, it makes me crazy how easy they make doing eyeshadow like look. But like she did with that little thing, I want to know what brush that, I'm going to have to look and see what brush that was. Because I want to get that brush because it looked cool. Okay, this is last but not least. And this was my beauty boost. And like, I bet I looked at those boosts for 10 minutes before I finally just was like, all right, I'm just going to get this. None of them like spoke to me. None of them, like, I just wasn't happy with. See, this is Grumpy Tara. Like, I don't know why. It just seems like all of they've got good stuff, but it's all in, it's all in the dang shop. And I don't understand why they can't just go ahead and I mean, this would be cool, but I really don't, do flat irons. I mean, I used to. And I got this because I'll probably just give it to my daughter. Because she likes flat irons. And I've got it mainly because it came in a bag. I actually didn't think it was going to come in a box. And, like, I mean, all that it really showed was, like, this and the bag. Like, so, I mean, I'm glad that it actually came in a box. But, I mean, I don't know. I might use it. I might not. So, it is, though, L&W Bio Remedy Light Mini Hair Strengthener with Pouch. Remedy Light? Okay. So, you know, like I said in the beginning, like, usually I will get into these boxes and, like, I'm a little bit happier once I get into it and see what I got. And, like, this I thought that I was going to be happy about until I seen that it looks like somebody has, like, put their finger in it. I don't know, like, I'm trying to work out whether that's what happened. I don't know. So, Yeah, I mean, it's not horrible. I mean, it's 30 something bucks, and but with the beauty boost, then that makes it like 50 something. And usually the boost kind of makes it, but this time it really didn't. So there was nothing else though. Like that's what I'm so upset with is the pics. The pics are just flat. So, but they keep you hooked because then, you got Pat McGrath next month, and I'm so super stoked that that's who it is. And I called it out. I said it like I've seen they had a couple little things that they were asking, who do you think it is? And I was like, that is 100% Pat McGrath. And if you don't think so, you're crazy. Like just the little hints were that's definitely Pat McGrath. So yeah, I don't know. I'm teetering on what to do with Boxy. I still like my glam bag. My glam bag has actually been a lot better than the Boxy has. So, I don't know. I mean, if I do just the glam, then I'll still have access to the shop. And it seems like that's where all the good stuff is the shop. They have like unicorn fruit from Truly for like 12 bucks, I think, right now. But I have enough unicorn fruit to last a lifetime. So yeah, I'm just I don't know. We'll see what happens with the Pat McGrath. I know I'm gonna love it because number one, I always like the box, and number two, Pat McGrath is one of my favorite. I just really can't afford to get Pat McGrath all the time. Like I think I've bought like maybe three. I can't afford those big old palettes. Like I just can't. I would love to, but and usually it's just not my colors, but mm, there was one that I actually bought, and it was one of the quads, and I don't even know what I've done with it. So that tells you. All right. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share, and be first in the comments because that's going to be the next giveaway. So, y'all have a good one. I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you in the next.